Hello everyone, this is Professor Tiwari. Once again, let's start. This is for class 9. This is chapter number 6. I request every student, those who get joined, please mention your name here. Okay, Kushi is there. So, I will wait for 2 to 3 minutes. So, let everyone get joined and then we'll continue this session. Okay, Anushka is there. Hi Anushka. In the last lecture that I had taken, everyone is clear with that. If you are having any doubt regarding the last video, so you can ask me in this video also, those who have watched my last video. And if you have not, so go and watch and please write your comments to that. Okay, so I think now we can start because there is a number of students right now. So let's start with that. That is chapter number 6. In the last session, we had solved it. That was up to the exercise. We had solved up to the question number 2. In the question number 3, that is what? In the question number 3, they are asking me, or they are asking to us actually. That is, there is a figure. That is, there is a triangle. In that triangle PQR is equal to PRQ. PQR is equal to PRQ, then prove that PQS is equal to PTR. Let me draw. I think you should be having the equal. Let me switch off the fan. Okay, so in that question, what is there? Let me draw that question. So the question is, we are having a triangle. On the line. And the line is S and T, and we are having a triangle that is PQR, where this and this angle are same, and they are asking question. They are asking that is prove that PQS angle PQS is equal to angle PQS is equal to PRT. Okay, that is what we have to prove. That is PQS is equal to PRT. Now let us go and see that how we can prove that. Okay, I think there is something issue in that. Okay, clear? So in that this is given. Now what is given and what is meaning? अब ट्रायंगल की अगर प्रॉपर्टी आपको पता होगा तो उसमें पता होगा ट्रायंगल की प्रॉपर्टी क्या है. ट्रायंगल में जैसा हमें पता है कि अगर दो एंगल इक्वल, if two angles are equal, then their side will be equal. But here we are not going to use that property. What we are going to use in this section? This section we are going to use the linear pair of angles. What we are going to use? Linear pair of angles. Where is PQS? Let us find that. PQS means we are talking about this angle. And where is a PRT? So here is PRT. They are saying that these two angles are equal. They are saying that these two angles are equal. Okay. Now if these two angles are, we need to prove these two angles equal. How we can? Let us. First of all, let me take the another color marker and have the great idea about that. So this angle. If we talk about this angle is how much? That is 180 degree. How much? 180 degree. And similarly, this is also 180 degree. Okay. Now, if these two bigger angles are linear pair of angle, and suppose this angle, and let us make the one equation that angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degree. This is our first statement. Second statement is what? Angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now, what is given? Given is that PQR is equal to PRQ. PQR is equal to PRQ. Now, instead of that, if I PQR, if I write PRQ, is it okay with that? Now, if PRQ plus POS is equal to 180 degree and PQR plus PRT is equal to 180 degree, what does that mean? That means if these two are adding these two numbers separately, we are getting the same result. That means that these two angles will be the equal. These two angles will be the equal. Understood? So that is how we can prove that if this angle and this angles are same, then there another angle will be the same only. Okay. Second question is actually that is the fourth question of this exercise. That is 6.6. If x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. AOB is a line. Let me draw the figure first. This is the figure. Here we are having the point O. This is B. This is A. From O, we are having the another line that is downside, that is D. Then this angle is Z. This angle is W. And we are having the like that. This angle is X and this angle be Y. Okay. Now, what is given? Is given that X plus Y is equal to X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. If it is like that, then prove that AOB is a line. AOB is a line. Simple. इसको करने के लिए सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें कुछ भी ज्यादा प्रूव करने की जरूरत नहीं. सीधा सीधा आप देख सकते हो कि x plus y and w plus z, that is given. Now, if you add x plus y is equal to w plus z, तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा? What will be the meaning of that? How you will get that? Let us know. Now, if I add all values from here to here, they will be of how much? They will be of how much? They will be of 360. Means if I add x plus y plus z plus w, that is of 360 degree. This total angle will be of 360 degree, and if this total is 360 degree and this is given, let us take it, this is the one first equation. Okay, x plus y, instead of x plus y, what I can write? I can write w plus z, or instead of w plus z, I can write x plus y. So as far as this, I am taking z plus w is equal to x plus y. So I will write x plus y is equal to 360 degree from 1, जो भी दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. Now what we are getting? We are getting 2x plus y is equal to 360 degree. What does that mean? That x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now if x plus y is equal to 180 degree, now if x plus y is equal to 180 degree, what does that mean? That means that this point from here to here, this is a linear pair of angles. This is a linear pair of angles. So if it is a linear pair of angles only, then and only then it can be the 180 degree. So that is why it is proved that AOB is a line. That is, hence it is proved that AOB is a line. Okay. Next question. Next question of the exercise is that is prove that. And next one is the, so it will take a little bit long time. So we'll take this question in the next video. The last two questions we'll go for the next line. Okay, about the parallel lines and the transversal lines and their properties. Okay, now the concept is of parallel line and transversal line and their relations. Okay, so let us talk about that. What is the parallel line and what is the relation of that? Now suppose if we are having three lines. So these two lines are not a parallel line. Let me clear first. Okay. Now this is called the transversal line. Now if it is like that, so we will have here total 8 angles. We will have here total different 8 angles. Let us mention them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'll write this name. 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. Now this all 8 angles will have some properties. Now this all 8 angles will have some properties which is related to them. Now if I take this separate line, so what you will get? As we have studied in the first exercise and the first theorem, that if two lines intersect each other, their opposite angles are equal. Now you can see that there is a transversal line, so third line is intersecting the first line. So this angle, this is first, must be equal to 3, and second must be equal to 4. Okay. Now this is the another line and transversal line remains same. So here fifth will be equal to 7 and sixth will be equal to 8. Okay. Now this is the what will be the property of the angle. Now let us have the name of these angles. What is the name of this angle? So there are some interior angles, some exterior angles are there. Okay, so the names are corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles. These are the points: alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angle, and interior angle on the same side of the transversal. Okay, so corresponding angle कौन से होंगे? First और fifth. फर्स्ट और फिफ्थ ये दोनों करस्पॉन्डेंस एंगल्स हैं. उसके बाद कौन से दोनों करस्पॉन्डेंस एंगल होंगे? उसके बाद होंगे फोर्थ एंड एट ये दोनों करस्पॉन्डेंस एंगल होंगे. सिमिलरली हियर 2 and 6, 3 and 7. ओके, देन अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल मतलब जो अंदर है और अल्टरनेट. सो 4 and 6 they will be the alternate, 3 and 5 but they are outside. So these two are the interior angle and these two are the alternate interior angle. Then alternate exterior angle. So alternate exterior angle is which one? 1 and 7, 2 and 8. So they will be known as the alternate exterior angle. Okay. Then interior angle on the same side of the transversal. Interior angle on the same side of the transversal. So that will be the 4 and 5, 3 and 6. Okay. So this is the name of the some angles and technical names. So we will be using these names. Now, if these two lines are parallel, then there must be some more properties. So what would be those properties? Let us discuss about that. Now there is a theorem, or you can say the fixed point, that if the transversal line intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of the corresponding angles are equal. What that mean? Let us have a discussion on that. Suppose if we are having the parallel line, suppose if we are having a parallel line like this, and we are having the one transversal line. अब अगर ये ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है और दो पैरेलल लाइन है हमारे पास, तो हमारे पास क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज हो सकती है उसके बारे में हम चेक करते हैं। कौन कौन सी प्रॉपर्टीज हो सकते हैं? अब जैसे हमने देखा था यहाँ पे हमारे पास एंगल 1 था, फिर ये एंगल 2 था, 3 था, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8। अब इसमें हमारे पास कुछ नई चीजें आ रही हैं। जैसे उसमें हमने देखा था 1 is equal to 3 था, 1 is equal to 3 था। अब अगर ये तीनों लाइन में से दो लाइन पैरेलल हैं एक दूसरे के, like this L and M, so if L is parallel to M, L is parallel to M and M is the transversal line, then angle 1 will be equal to angle 3, angle 3 will be equal to angle 5, angle 5 will be equal to angle 7, means angle 1 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 5 is equal to angle 7. Okay? Then next what will be there? Next will be angle 2 is equal to angle 4 is equal to angle 6 is equal to angle 8. Okay? अब इसके ऊपर से क्या बोल सकते हैं? एंगल 1 और एंगल 7, 8 इक्वल होंगे, एंगल 3 और एंगल 8 इक्वल 7 इक्वल होगा। तो इसके हिसाब से आप ये सारी चीजें लिख सकते हो, ठीक है? So this is the basic property of the when two parallel lines are intersected by the one transversal line, then what could be the possible? Okay, now in the next exercise we will be solving the sum related to this only. So let us have the okay, in 6.2 question number 1, we are having the first question, that is question is given and they are asking for the few angles. Let us help them and get the answer. Okay. अभी देखो ये सारी चीजें हम लोग 6th स्टैंडर्ड 7th स्टैंडर्ड में एक बार कर चुके हैं थोड़ा बहुत, ठीक है? तो ज्यादा घबराने की दिक्कत नहीं है, ये सारी चीजें आप लोग ऑलरेडी कर चुके हो। अगर एक बार में समझ नहीं आ रहा तो वीडियो 2 बार देख लेना, एक बार और देख लेना वीडियो, तो अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा, ठीक है? क्या करना है, दो लाइन दी हुई है पैरेलल, ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन इसको इंटरसेक्ट कर दी, ठीक है? तो चलो सबसे पहले हम वो बना लेते हैं। हमारे पास ये दो पैरेलल लाइन आ गई, ठीक है? उसको एक ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन इंटरसेक्ट कर रही, वो भी हमने बना दिया। अब हमें दिया हुआ क्या है? दिया हुआ है दिस एंगल इज 50 डिग्री and this angle is of 130 degree. Then what is there? They are asking for this angle x and they are asking for this angle, that is y. These two things they are asking. Let us help them. And so that if find the value of x and y and then so that AB is parallel to CD. अब देखो मैंने इसके पहले जो एक्सप्लेन किया उसने बोला था कि ये दोनों लाइन पैरेलल होंगी अगर तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल होगा, ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल होगा। अब यहाँ पे ये दोनों लाइन पैरेलल दी हुई नहीं है। It is not has been defined that the AB and CD is a parallel line. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to find the value of x and y. So don't worry, we'll find it. How we'll find? With the help of linear pair of angle. With the help of linear pair of angle, and second property we will be using, that is the opposite angle of the two intersecting line is same. Okay. How? As we all know, this is a line, so this angle must be 180 degree. So 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 130 degree. Okay, how? 50 will be on that side, so that will be minus, so 180 minus 50, 130. Okay, so we have got the value of x, so that is of 130. Good. Now, this is 130, so what will be this 130 by, because this is the vertically opposite angle. Okay, now let us find that whether this AB is parallel to CD or not. अगर AB पैरेलल होता CD के तो ये x एंगल 130 के इक्वल होता और ये y एंगल इसके इक्वल होता। अगर यहाँ पे 50 है तो यहाँ पे 130 आएगा। तो यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं x और 130 इक्वल है, x और 130 इक्वल है, x के इक्वल ये भी है क्योंकि ये अल्टरनेट एंगल है। In that case we can say as their alternate angles are same, what we can say as their alternate angles are same. Therefore, as their alternate angles are same, therefore this line AB and CD is parallel to each other. Okay. Now, in the next question, there is a ratio that is y is to z, and that is given 3 is to 7. Okay. अब उसमें 3 is to 7 दिया हुआ है, तो alternate interior angles हैं दोनों. अब वहां पे जैसे आप देखो दिया हुआ क्या है, that CD is parallel to EF. CD is parallel to EF. Okay, these all questions will take in the next lecture. Till then, keep safe and be safe and keep studying. Like this video, subscribe my channel if you have not done till now. Okay, thank you.